welcome to the channel. In this video, I will be replacing my mom's inflated battery on her Xiaomi 11 Lite. I bought this replacement battery together with the tools on Shopee. I'll put the shop link in the video description below so you can check it out. Alright, let's start. Alright, now that I have replaced the battery, let me check if it turns on. Yup, it turns on, and the battery replacement is successful. It was actually easy and you can do it at home too, as long as you take your time and follow the steps carefully. I hope this video helped you out, especially if your Xiaomi 11 is having battery problems like swelling or fast draining. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.